this example, we need to differentiate this implicitly. So to differentiate implicitly, we need to apply product rule here and chain rule here. So we end up with 3 times 1 y plus 3x, and then differentiate the y to y prime, minus 2y, apply the chain rule, y prime, plus 1 equals 0. Now we should group our y primes. So we end up with 3x minus 2y, and then make it equal to negative 1 minus 3y in the numerator. Oh, sorry, over on this side. Solve for y prime, we end up with negative 1 minus 3y all over 3x minus 2y. Okay, so to determine the equation of the tangent line, we need to calculate the slope. So the slope at 0, 0, we substitute in 0 for x, 0 for y, so we end up with negative 1 minus 3 times 0, 3 times 0 minus 2 times 0, so we end up with negative 1 over 0. So this slope is undefined. It's a vertical slope. Therefore, the equation of the tangent line is going to be the x-coordinate of this graph. So it's going to be x equals 0 represents the equation of the tangent line. Now, if we take a look at the graph, this graph happens to look something like this. So it's going to be tangent like that. And looks like it has a asymptote along the horizontal like that. So at this point here at x equals 0, it will be just tangent right at 0, 0. For the coordinate, the tangent line at, this should be negative 0.8 and negative 2, that coordinate is going to be somewhere around here. So I'm just going to draw a different color. So right about there, there's going to be negative 0.8 and negative 2. We need to find the equation of tangent line. We need the coordinate, which we have, and we need the slope at that point. So I'm going to plug that into my derivative. Negative, so that's going to be minus 3y over 3 times x minus 2 times y. When we work that out, that's going to end up being 5 over, looks like negative 2.4 plus 4 is 1.6. And if we divide those two numbers, it looks like the slope is going to be 3.125. Okay, so the equation of the tangent line, this tangent line here, this will have a slope of 3.125. And the coordinate is going to be x plus 0.8, so negative 0.8 minus 2. So there's the equation of that the red tangent line here.